guys, welcome back. So this week and last week we have been doing adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing polynomials. What we're going to do this week is start with the applications. We're actually kind of putting it all together. Today what we're going to start with is just perimeter. So to recall, perimeter is when you add up all the sides. So sum of all sides, add them all up together. So let's first start with this square. Okay, a rectangle, I'm sorry. So when I look at this, it only has two sides, but a rectangle has four sides. So there's four side measurements we have to add up. That's a common error there. So if this is 2x plus 1, that has to be 2x plus 1. And if this is 3x plus 5, this has to be 3x plus 5. Okay? Because the sides corresponding on a rectangle are equal. So what I'm going to do now is add up all these sides. So what that looks like is I do 2x plus 1 plus 3x plus 5 plus 2x plus 1 plus 3x plus 5. So I write down every single one of them out. Then I combine like terms. So just like adding anything that has the same variable to the same exponent, we add the coefficient together, the number in front of the variable, and any constant numbers without the variables, we add those together. So I'm going to mark them just like I always had. So I'm going to underline all of my x's, and I'm going to put an arrow under all of my constants, just so I know which ones go with which. And then I'm going to add them together. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So I end up with 10x. So I've done all my x's. Now I'm going to do all my constants. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. And that's my answer. So when it says perimeter, I would put 10x plus 12. There are 3 perimeter problems on your worksheet. I would do those 3 problems after the lesson you watched today. Let's do one more problem. So now instead of having a rectangle, I have a triangle. Same process, doesn't matter what shape it is, hexagon, pentagon, octagon, you just add all the sides together. So on a triangle, I have 3 sides, so I'm going to add up 3 side measurements. That's the thing you don't want to forget. So I get 3x plus 3x plus 8x minus 3. Because this side was 3x, and this was 3x. And then I bring down my 8x minus 3. Now I'm going to mark them, the ones I'm going to combine. This has an x. Remember, it's technically an x to the first power. So if you want to write that first power there, it helps you with multiplying. And then I have a negative 3. So let me add these together. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So I get 14x. Remember, I don't add exponents here because I'm adding them together. I only add exponents when I'm multiplying. And then I bring down my negative 3. So my answer here is 14x minus 3. And that would be my perimeter. Okay? So no matter what the shape is, you add all the sides. So figure out how many sides there is on a shape. That's how many terms you should be adding together. Simplify them down, add ones that look alike, just like 2 weeks ago we did adding and subtracting, and that's your perimeter. Okay? Have a great day. If you have any questions, make sure I see you on Zoom. And tomorrow we're going to talk about area. Thanks for stopping by, guys.